In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reset your Gmail password. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and make sure you are on your inbox. If you have more than one Google account signed in, confirm you are in the correct mailbox before you continue, because the password change will apply to the account that is currently active. Next, look to the top right area of Gmail and click your profile icon. This is the account button that opens a small menu with details about your Google account. Once that menu is open, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to the Google Account Settings page in a new tab or the same tab depending on your browser. On the Google Account page, find the option for Password. It is sometimes labeled as Google Password and it is part of the sign-in and security settings. Click that password option to begin the reset process. Google may ask you to confirm your identity before it allows any changes. This is a normal security step. When you reach the verification screen, click into the password field and type your current password. Take your time here, because an incorrect entry can slow things down. After entering your current password, continue to the next screen to confirm. Once Google accepts your password, you will see the page where you can set a new password. Click into the first highlighted field and type your new password. Then click into the next highlighted field and type the same new password again to confirm it. Make sure both entries match exactly. For a stronger password, use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using common words or reused passwords. When both fields are filled out and confirmed, click Change Password. Google will save your new password and update your account. After the change, you may be signed out on other devices, so be ready to sign back in anywhere you use Gmail with the new password. And that is all there is to it.